Welcome to Slinger CAD. This is tutorial number 7 on CATIA Circle. In this video we are going to see how to access Circle tool and what are the different types of circle available in Sketcher Workbench. Today we will see how to create circles and types of circles in Sketcher Workbench in CATIA. I can access Circle tool from Profile toolbar in the Sketcher Workbench, or else I can go to Insert, I can go to Profile, Circle, and you can find all the circles and arc tools. Fine. So first I will go with a simple circle. I'll just click it and I'll just snap at the origin point. So as you can see, just radius is enough to define it, or else when you select it, you will in your sketch tool you can find the coordinate points, horizontal and vertical, along with the radius. So wherever you want, you can you can place it and you can just define the radius of the circle. Now we will see 3-point arc. So just pick it and randomly place the 3 points wherever you want. So this is how 3-point circle is being created. Next is circle using coordinates. So just define the coordinate points where you want your circle. So 50, 50 of radius 25. This will be the origin point. Give OK. So you can see 50, 50 will be the center point and 25 will be the radius of the circle. There is one more option in coordinate circle definition. You have an option called Cartesian and polar. Now we will go with polar. So polar, instead of going with 2 coordinate points, you will have a radius and an angle. So for example, I will take radius of 50 and at angle of 45 degree and circle radius of 25. Just give OK. So you can see. So I can create a circle with a radius of 50 and 45 degree as angle of circle radius of 25 mm. Next we will see how to create tritangent circle. So for that I required a 3 sides or 3 tangent curves. I'll just select this and I'll just select the sides wherever I want. This is how I'll get a tritangent circle. Now we will see arc. So till now we saw how to create circles. Now we will see how to create arcs. So first one will be 3-point arc. Just place 3 points in the workspace and you can get an arc. This is 3-point arc. Next will be arc with limits. 3-point arc with limits. For example, you will define the first limit and you will define the second limit and then the third. So first you will define the limits and then you will create the arc. Whereas in 3-point arc it was not like that. In 3-point arc you can have the end point at the last, but in limited with the 3-point arc starting with limits, we will define the limits first point and second point, then the arc. Fine. So this is the major difference. Then now you will see how to create arc, normal arc. So for that, just place the center point, just define the circle radius and then just define the arc points wherever you want. Just give OK. So this is how you will create arc. Thank you. For more videos, please subscribe our channel Slinger CAD for further updates.